The ability to screen record is built right into Canvas. If you click on the record in the upper right hand corner and then select the Open Screencast-O-Matic 2.0, that will load in and it'll ask you to download the program. You simply need to click on the download button that shows up in the screen. You'll see it right there. Click on that. It'll download, and then you need to double click on that folder once it finishes downloading. And then it will start through the process. You want to hit install. Once that process is complete, you'll get a message that says it is all finished. Click OK, and then you'll have the ability built in by clicking on record and screen capture to start recording whatever you would like, not only in Canvas but in any tab or any part of the window that you want to show on your computer.